It may be upsetting and detrimental to one's self-esteem to have loose skin. Although there are various reasons for getting loose skin, once you do, it can be challenging to get rid of. The following list of factors can contribute to loose skin. A sedentary lifestyle, gaining and losing weight often, rapid weight loss, aging, pregnancy, unhealthy diet, the effect of gravity over time. Loose skin develops as a result of these and other factors that alter your body's aesthetic appeal. So how can you tighten that loose body? The stomach, face, neck, buttocks, arms, legs, and hands are common areas where people have loose skin. Loose skin can lead to a variety of issues such as physical pain, decreased mobility, skin deterioration, and negative body perception. In this video we will talk about how to tighten and keep your skin tight, as well as what causes skin to stretch in the first place. You don't need to eat exotic foods, buy expensive creams, or even sign up for a gym for thinner and tighter hips. Here are some tips that will help you. A healthy body will look fit because it will have the proper ratio of muscle to fat, which can only be achieved by regular exercise and a balanced diet. You should perform both at the same time for effective and lasting tightness. You must also care for your physique in order for your skin to appear more alive and healthy. In light of this, there are 3 steps that make tightening up the fastest. Sufficient exercise to build muscles. A balanced diet that keeps the body alive while reducing fat levels. Take precautions to improve the appearance of your skin. Later in this video, we'll explain the benefits of exercising and provide you with an example workout plan. If you want to get tighter, you should burn fat while also working out your muscles. Exercise is the only way to make this happen. Additionally, the muscles you work out will appear tighter and curvier due to the minimal calories you consume, giving the appearance that your waist is smaller than it actually is. Start with easy 10-minute muscle training exercises every day if you are reluctant to exercise or if it is tough for you for a variety of reasons and you cannot do it. This is an excellent technique for getting your body used to exercising. The only rule is to set aside 10 minutes each day to complete some simple exercises. Keep in mind that it takes 20 days to create a habit. You'll notice that you start to increase the amount of time you spend exercising as you become accustomed to the situation. If you say, "I want a busy schedule, I must immediately tighten up." We'll have some easy-to-apply workout recommendations in the next section of our video for you to try out to become tighter. Foods for a tight body. The basic rule of getting a tight body is to consume enough protein while avoiding bad fats and simple carbs. Yes, this implies that you give up your favorite sweets and sugary foods, including fatty donuts. You will be supported on your journey to fat loss and firming up your body by consuming a lot of high-fiber greens, vegetables, fruits, and lean protein sources. Avocados, fatty fish cooked with appropriate cooking methods, and nuts as a snack in moderation are all good sources of healthy fats. You may take a little break from the pasta, rice, and pastries. Maintaining a healthy gut system and eating a probiotic-rich diet will help you grow tighter and slimmer. In this way, you eliminate the extra body fat that surrounds your body and give it a looser appearance. This diet is also beneficial to the appearance of your skin. To shape your body and have a bright, appealing complexion rather than a droopy appearance, you should not only lose weight and build muscles, but you should also refresh the skin texture. Given this, consider doing a full body exfoliation once each week. Coffee and extra virgin olive oil work well for this. The dry brushing technique quickens blood flow, and gradual upward motions lessen drooping. It will be a pleasure to incorporate it into your everyday schedule. For sagging skin structure, it's crucial to keep your skin moisturized by drinking enough water and using body cream. Make a body tightening plan. If you have made the decision to lose weight and tone up, you should see a noticeable change in your physique in no more than 1 month. From the first week, you can see the difference. Set a clear objective for yourself first. Goals are essential for motivation. It's a terrific goal to become fit before the summer. By keeping a record of your weight and body measurements, you can develop a reasonable plan for your goal. Based on the number of calories you require and the amount of weight you need to lose, choose the diet you should follow. Stay within the dietary plan necessary for tightness. Set a daily fitness goal. Make sure you train all your muscle groups. Make a movement plan with targeted motions to help you work up a sweat. Never skip a daily workout. Keep in mind that working your muscles is the key to toning. Add green tea, rosemary tea, and thyme tea to your daily list of slimming herbal beverages. Make a commitment to consume at least 2 liters of water each day. Include foods that will help your body get rid of toxins, such as fruits and vegetables. Remember to take daily care of your skin. You should stick to your strategy for at least 20 days. Ideal exercises to tighten your body. Squat for tighter hips. At shoulder height, spread your feet. Start squatting with your back straight. Make sure that your knees do not exceed the level of your toes. Start with 10 reps, and perform 4 sets every day. Sit-ups for a flat stomach. Lie down on a flat surface on your back. Without using your arms as support, extend your hands out to your sides and stand up. If performing sit-ups is difficult for you, try bending your knees and bringing your head closer to your knee. Start with 10 reps, and perform 4 sets every day. Sumo squat to tighten the legs. You should have your toes facing sideways and your legs somewhat wider than shoulder width apart. Like a regular squat, bend your knees and then straighten them by raising your hips just a little bit until the tops of your legs are parallel to the ground. This exercise can be repeated 20 times without stopping. As a result, it may be upsetting and detrimental to one's self-esteem to have loose skin. Although there are various reasons for getting loose skin, once you do, it can be challenging to get rid of. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.